Hey Resonators, I hope you all are doing well. So I have a new Am I the A-hole story that I want to read for you today. So I'm thinking this one is probably going to be a little bit controversial, but I'm really interested to see what your opinions are on the subject. So drop what you think about this whole situation in the comments and try to be respectful to other people's opinions. Okay, so this one is called, Am I the A-hole for saying my body is not just a result of having no children? Alright, so listen in and let me know if you think OP is the A-hole or not. I, female 26, went to the pool with some female colleagues from work today. We know each other pretty well, but we only ever see each other in scrubs at the hospital. Most of my colleagues are a few years older than I am, and some have kids. We were all wearing bikinis and having a nice time, and then out of the blue, one of my colleagues complimented me on my body. It was a genuine nice compliment, and I blushed and said thank you. I am pretty fit. I have a dog and I walk him daily, and I'm a dancer and I used to dance 7 days a week. Ever since I've been working, I dance less often though. And although my body doesn't look as nice as it used to back then, I still am lean and I suppose I'm pretty muscular, especially the legs. After the compliment, another colleague with kids said that of course I have a nice body because I don't have kids. Then some others chimed in and said how easy it was for them to keep the weight down before they had kids and that my body was nothing special. I didn't say anything at first because I'm pretty uncomfortable with body talk in general, but at some point it became a bit too much and I said, actually my body isn't just from not having kids, I also work out a lot. And either way, not having kids doesn't equal a good body and having kids doesn't equal a bad body. The colleagues then exploded on me and said how I belittled parenthood and how I'm downplaying pregnancy and I should just wait until I have kids and those legs are gonna disappear quickly. At that point, I said absolutely nothing and the rest of the outing passed rather awkwardly. So am I the a-hole for saying what I said? Heck no, in my opinion, she is not the a-hole. For me, it's kind of weird how it seems like everybody's all about body positivity until it's a skinny girl. I'm against all body shaming no matter what size you are. All I'm saying is that at the end of the day, I don't think that OP did anything wrong and I think that she was justified in what she said. Having kids definitely doesn't equal having a bad body, and I wish people would get rid of that stigma. Women's bodies are a beautiful thing regardless of size or if they had kids or not. So anyways, I'm done with my little rant. I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you think OP was out of line for what she said. Also, I want you to let me know what you think about my newest Zodiac butterfly jar. And for this one, I used Let's Resin epoxy resin, and I used this one because I love the clarity. The lid came out crystal clear and I love it. And I really like this resin because it gives you a lot more work time than some of the other resins I've used. So that way you don't feel super rushed when you're working on your projects. So that is a plus. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I use to make these resin creations, check out my bio because I have my link tree where I have all of the Amazon links to the products that I use to make these. Also, you'll find a coupon code for 10% off of all Let's Resin products, so check it out. So here are the final results of this Libra butterfly jar. I love the way that the resin matches with the butterfly. And guys, I love how it looks once you turn on the lights. Like, just so magical. So you have to let me know what you think about the final results and rate it from 1 to 10. And also, stay amazing, guys. Like, I know it's rough out there in this crazy world, but keep your head up. Just make the right choices. You know in your heart what the right choices are. Stay kind, stay amazing, stay creative, keep on resonating, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.